Sarah, what an amazing group of dancers that you brought today to Dancing Lions. You know, this is our 5th year, and this year we had a packed ballroom. The first year we just had a few show up, but this year you brought how many students?
It was almost 90 in total from all of our groups. So we have 3 locations now. So we have Sarasota, Lakewood Ranch, and Venice, and I was very happy to have representatives from all 3. And then we also work with the Haven Group Home, and they brought about 20 of their residents to perform as well. So it was an amazing time, really.
Amazing, just amazing. You know, it's 5 years, it's just grown like unbelievable.
Yep.
You know, how did the families respond? Did you get any feedback from your families today?
Everybody that I talked to was super happy and grateful that they have a chance to shine. Because as we all know, persons with disabilities don't always get chances to perform and feel special. And the kids, when we handed them the medals at the end, they were, just crying in joy that they could have that. And the parents are just sitting there watching all of the different abilities do so many different things. And they were just so appreciative and honored to be a part of the group.
It's always amazing to me to see these solos that are 2 minutes long at least, and they remember their parts, they perform, and how much work goes into getting that all together.
Well, I mean, each of the groups of at least my students, they participate in 1, 2, 3 group classes a week, and each group has multiple routines. I was really happy to present for the first time a silver group of Dynasty Stars. Mm-hmm. So because they've been doing it for 5 years, they've graduated from the bronze level to silver. Mm-hmm. So this is the first time we had a silver level team perform. So I thought that was really special.
Yeah, it was amazing. I was really taken back by you had a couple performers do a Viennese waltz out there.
Yes,
and
hard
dance.
That
was pretty impressive as far as I was concerned.
Yes, for sure.
Yeah.
Well, I have to say that I couldn't do it alone, and I have such an awesome team of staff that have really embraced these kids. It's not just me, but they've also, I don't teach them any of the private lessons anymore because all of my staff have really taken these kids under their wings and have developed them to their own strengths. So I'm just really so grateful to have the opportunity to work with you and Tommy and then the great staff that I have to do all of it.
Well, for somebody who's been in the field working with disabilities all of my career, it's just amazing to see how much they can do, because there was a time when people thought people with disabilities could do so little.
And it's not true.
That's not true, and we proved it today. Thank you for bringing your group.
Thank you very much. Thank you.